What's going on, everyone? This is Bree from Fractured Compass. So I wasn't gonna do anything today, but a little boy whispered in my ear and said there's maybe something is happening around 6 o'clock. So we are here to see if that happens. The rest of the crew isn't with me because this was like a spur of the moment thing. But I'm also, while I'm here, just gonna kind of hang out and look around and see what we can see and see if they've added anything to Knott's Scary Farm. Something really quick, but when we were doing the other video, we said we didn't know whether it was gonna be inside or outside. We thought it would be outside based on kind of what it was said, but not confirmed yet. But we do believe at this time that it will be inside Mystery Lodge Theater, and that's going to be that laser show that they're going to be doing. So stay tuned for confirmation on that. But we do believe it is going to be inside the theater with live actors. This is what we're here for. Behind me is Into the Fog. Now they might open it up at 6:15. We're not sure, but we're gonna be here. So when they do open it up, we can see all the amazing artists, all the new merchandise that's gonna be here for Knott's Scary Farm. But this is it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I would say this was a successful impromptu day. We did not plan to come out here, but we did. But it wasn't wasted. Never wasted. Did you have fun watching?
And I made a lot of friends too.
He was chatting up the management. So if you guys come out here, remember that Summer Nights and the 100th anniversary is going to be ending September 6th. That's going to be the last day for that. So we're going to head home right now. And we're going to show you guys everything that we got from the Into the Fog art show, because I don't quite want to do it here. It won't do it justice. So we'll see you in just a second. All right, everyone. So like I promised, from the quietness and stillness of my own home, this is the haul that we got from the Into the Fog art show tonight that debuted around 8 o'clock to the public. It is going to be open from this moment on all the way through Not Scary Farm October 31st. And this is just some of the stuff that I wanted. So we definitely probably are going to go back and get some more things, because I do want to get some more prints. But first and foremost, this Green Witch, and I'm going to use haunt names, done by Red, is amazing. I know there's a sheen on it right now, but she has the hangman in her hands, and that is just a beautiful piece. We also have one done by Thrash, and this is Lyra, the she-wolf, and obviously I am quite fond of her. And then this one over here was done by Lilith, and it is Mangler Asylum. This one actually cost $50, but it is well worth it, and I remember standing in line for this maze. So it was definitely one that spooked me, and it brings back memories. So I wanted to make sure that I supported her and got that. Now we move into the Spirit jerseys. This is this year's Spirit jersey, Not Scary Farm. And this is the back of it. And then the front of it has pumpkins that go down the side. I'll turn it around, but I just want you guys to see. I was kind of like, do I get this? Do I not get this? But it has a cat, a little, like an upside down hanging bat on it, the little spider over here, and then obviously the jack-o'-lantern in the middle, and that's amazing. And this runs for $64.99. We got the Scary Farm lanyard for $4.99. Oops. And then over here we have the Legends pins. If you guys know the Tricksters, obviously Trick or Treat was a favorite maze of mine, and when I saw Trickster running around Ghost Town streets, that's when I got the inspiration that I actually wanted to do that and be that. And obviously Paranormal Inc. final season for this one pin is already out, but I just want to show you guys the front of this shirt so you guys can get an idea if you actually want to get this. But that's what it looks like on the front. So that's the whole shirt. And then these little pumpkins right here, one of them says KSF in the pumpkin, and literally I did not know if I wanted this shirt, and the more that I'm looking at the details, the more I'm glad I got it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the preview of Into the Fog, now open through now open through October 31st. And the 100th anniversary ends September 6th, like I said, so you know what that means. We will definitely see you in the fog. Have a good night, guys.